Foundations of our nation. What is the Declaration of Independence? Why was it written? And who was it for? Reasons for the Declaration of Independence. The Declaration of Independence was an important action taken by the British colonists in America. The British government imposed taxes on the colonists and denied them the rights that other English citizens had. When the colonists protested, the king declared them to be rebels. He ordered that war be made upon them and hired foreign soldiers to attack them. These actions caused many American colonists to become determined to declare themselves to be independent. Who wrote the Declaration of Independence? Many of the delegates to the Continental Congress voted for independence from Great Britain. Thomas Jefferson wrote a draft of the Declaration of Independence. It was approved on July 4, 1776, as the unanimous declaration of the 13 United States of America. Purpose of the Declaration of Independence. The Declaration of Independence announced the separation of 13 North American British colonies from Great Britain. The armed conflict that erupted in the American Revolution steadily convinced the colonists in North America that separation from Great Britain was in fact essential. Who signed the Declaration of Independence? The Declaration of Independence was signed by the President of the Continental Congress, John Hancock. Then it was printed and read aloud to a crowd assembled outside in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. How many people signed the Declaration of Independence? The original document containing the Declaration of Independence was written in script on parchment and signed by the 56 delegates of the Second Continental Congress on July 4, 1776. Please complete the quiz in the next section once you hit the next button as many times as needed until all answers are correct, then proceed to the next module.